Hi, my colleagues. Today I'm discussing with you ISHRS. ISHRS is International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery, and it is the only and biggest organization who is regulating hair restoration surgery all around the world. And I give a weightage to the ISHRS in the way or in the words that I say, if a person who is doing hair transplant surgery and he is not a member of ISHRS, I'm sorry to say I don't reckon him as a hair restoration surgeon properly. He could not be a true expert, or he could not be called a true expert in hair restoration surgery. I'm not talking about anybody else, but thing is I want to elaborate ISHRS. And when you are going to search for a good doctor for yourself for hair restoration surgery, and you are planning to have a surgery done by true expert, then you should be looking for the members of ISHRS. And when you go to ISHRS, there are few categories of members that I want to say: associate members, full members, voting members, and then fellow members of ISHRS. I would talk to you about fellow members of ISHRS. And ISHRS, or the doctors around the world or true experts around the world, they give a lot of weightage to fellow members of ISHRS, because to create a fellow member in ISHRS, it takes lots of years with ISHRS in a very regular manner, to attend the conferences, to do some publications, to do a research work, to be an expert in his particular field of hair restoration surgery. So becoming a fellow member of ISHRS is well respected all over the world and by ISHRS itself, because if you are a surgeon, if you are a plastic surgeon, dermatologist, from any type of background specialty, and you are well qualified in that particular field of your own, but when you go to ISHRS and you want to be a hair restoration surgeon, and you become a fellow member of ISHRS, I mean FISHRS, then ISHRS will reckon you as only FISHRS. They will not go for your background specialty. You are plastic surgeon, you are dermatologist, you are surgeon, you are having any other qualification, even the biggest qualification in the world in your particular field, but they will mention you only that he is FISHRS. So look at the weightage of FISHRS. They are considered to be the true expert in hair restoration surgery, and you will find fewer fellow members in the whole world, because I don't think there are more than 120 members in the whole world. So look at, if you find thousands of members of ISHRS, you will find only 120, or maybe less than that, or maybe more than that, fellow members of ISHRS, FISHRS. In my country, there are only 4 fellow members of ISHRS. There are only 4 members of ISHRS who are fellow members of ISHRS. So when we are talking about International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery, we need to be confident that they put some certain restrictions on the doctors through code of ethics and through position statements of ISHRS, that the doctor cannot say, I'm the only one expert in this field, I'm the only one surgeon in Islamabad, Pakistan, or only one surgeon in the whole world. You cannot say that, because you can only mention that I'm fellow member of ISHRS. That would be a great respect to that doctor who is fellow member of ISHRS. So I wanted to explain it to you. When you are looking for experts, true experts in hair restoration surgery, you should, and you are looking for ISHRS members. So I wanted to categorize the members of ISHRS for your convenience. So my say to you is always search for a good doctor for yourself when you are thinking about hair restoration surgery, because you cannot make it a joke. We are little fame in the field of hair restoration surgery around the world. So the people, they come to us when they are ruined at donor area and recipient area, and they get into the complications which could not be fixed, or may be fixed with the loads of expertise and loads of expenses and loads of time. So you should be very careful in searching for a doctor who could be doing the best job for you, because you are looking for true expert for yourself. And don't gauge anything on the money. You should search the doctor on qualifications in particular field of hair restoration surgery. So because you are going for hair restoration surgery. Thank you very much, boys, girls, and you can ask me any question as you have been asking me, and I'm here to answer your questions related to education, because I always been curious, and I always been up to see the questions and to answer them promptly and unbiased in an unbiased way, so that you can be at least getting a true awareness in the field of hair restoration surgery. This is my duty, and I have been trying to fulfill my duties towards you. Thank you very much.